So let's solve the question number 6 of the CKS series. So to solve this question, we need to switch the context, and I will just switch the context. So the question is that there are 4 Kubernetes server binaries located at this location on this. You're provided with the following verified SHA-512 values. For these, delete those binaries that don't match with the SHA-512 values. So the point is that whenever you download the Kubernetes binary, so make sure you should validate those kind of binaries. Maybe someone altered those binaries and they have injected a particular data to breach into your Kubernetes cluster. It can happen, right? So for that, what you can do, you can just simply check the binaries, and it is kind of a client and server authentication. So the official Kubernetes binaries must be same with your downloaded binaries, right? So as you can see that we have already downloaded the binaries, and I will just check first of all. So there are 4 binaries available, and we also get the correct verified SHA-512 values for this, and the values which would be same with the particular server manifest available in this folder. It means that that is okay. So if that is not matching, we just need to delete that binary. Okay, so the point is how to validate it. So you can just simply use SHA-512 some command. Also you can use SHA-256, but Kubernetes doesn't use that. So we have to make sure that we need to use SHA-512. Otherwise, if you use 256, it won't work, and it will give you errors like the binaries won't be matching, and ultimately you will lose your marks. So just remember this thing, that you have to use SHA-512 instead SHA-256. Okay, so let's go and solve this question. So first of all, I'll just use one thing, which is a simple command, and I will just use this, and then I will provide the file name, and let's see the SHA value. So this is the way that you can get the SHA-512 values, but as it will take a lot of time to understand, because there are 512 words, right? And you won't be able to read each and every word, and in CKS exam you have to respect the time. You have to value for each minute, each second. So what you can simply just do, you will just run this command echo and use double quotes, and then just paste this cube API server SHA-512 value, and after after white space, you just need to use cube hyphen API server. Just copy this, then close the double quotes, add pipe, and use SHA-512 sum, and you just need to use one argument, which is hyphen check, and if it is shows you okay, so it means that it's fine. But as you can see that this is no such file or directory. Yeah, so my bad, I just need to first go to that particular directory first. So I'll just go to that directory, and then we will run the same command again, and as you can see that it gives the output of cube API server is okay. So it means that it is fine, and we don't need to delete this. Now what I'll do, I'll just use the same above command, and I will just play with the control, and what I'll do, I'll just change the each and everything from echo, and I will use cube control manager SHA-512 value, and then I will have to use the binary name as well. So I will just write it, and you can see that SHA-512 some standard input no properly formatted. So it means that it is not correct. So what we can do, we can just delete this file, and I will use rm command for that. Now we need to do the same thing with the kubeproxy as well. So use I will just copy the kubeproxy SHA value, and then copy the name of this, and let's see. So it's fine, kubeproxy is fine. Now let's check the kubelet. and I'll copy the kubelet SHA value and then kubelet the file name, and you will see that this warning shows that the checksum did not match. So we have to delete the kubelet as well. So this way we have only two binaries left which have the correct SHA-512 values. Okay.
So that's it for this question. Please check out the playlist for this CKS KillerShell series. The link is given in the description box, and also you can check out the pinned comment. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you and have a good day.